Today I am going to take a lecture of discrete mathematics chapter number 5th graph theory. So the next method is the Floyd or washer algorithm to produce the shortest path. Okay, so here Wij is equal to We if there is an edge E from Vi to Vj. We have already seen in the matrix representation form, if a vertex V1 to V2 directly connected, then we write here 1. Okay, and otherwise we write the 0. So here We, if there is an HE from Vi to Vj, that means we write here the weight. We, that means the weight, the edges. Okay, and otherwise if there is no edge from Vi to Vj, we write here the 0. So this is the formula for writing the algorithm, but we use here the short trick. Got it? For finding the shortest path. Formula is Wij k is equal to minimum Wij k minus 1 comma Wik power k minus 1 plus Wjk power k minus 1. So we use here the process. This is the logic. Okay, but the logic is depend on this formula. Got it? So here we use only the logic and values are same if we use this formula. Got it? So here we are given in a graph. Graph is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we write the D power 0. That means this is the first matrix depends on a graph. Okay. So one by one we write here the weight. That means if our vertex is directly connected, so we write here the given weight. Otherwise, we write here the infinite. Got it? So let's start here 1 to 1. 1 to 1 always we write here the 0 because of the total weight, or we can say that the total distance is 0. Next one is 1 to 2. Yes, that is directly connected from with the help of one edge 1 to 2. The weight is 3. Okay, 1 to 3. So 1 to 3, we write here the weight is 8. Got it? 1 to 4. So 1 to 4 is not connected. 4 to 1 is connected. So here we write the infinite sign. Got it? 1 to 5 is directly connected. So 1 to 5, we write here the value is minus 4. That means our first row is what? 0, 3, 8, infinite minus 4. Okay. Next one is 2 to 1. So 2 to 1, that means we write here infinite because of direction is 1 to 2. Next one is 2 to 2. So we write here 0. 2 to 3. So we write here infinite. 2 to 4, the weight is 1. And 2 to 5, the weight is 7. So our second row is what? Infinite, 0, infinite, 1 and 7. Okay, next one is 3 to 1. So this is your vertex 3. So 3 to 1, we write here the infinite. 3 to 2, the weight given is 4. 3 to 3, we write here 0. 3 to 4, infinite. And 3 to 5, again we write infinite. That is our third row is infinite, 4, 0 and 3 to 4. So here 4 to 3 is minus 5, but 3 to 4 is equal to what? Value is infinite and infinite. Okay, next one is 4 to 1. So this is your 4. So 4 to 1, we write here 2. Weight is 2. 4 to 2. 4 to 2, infinite. 4 to 3, we write here infinite. 4 to 4, 0. And 4 to 5, we write here infinite. So our fourth row is what? 2, infinite, infinite, 0, infinite. Okay, so here 4 to 3, yes, 4 to 3 is minus 5, so we write here 4 to 3 is minus 5. Okay, next one is 5. So 5 to 1, infinite. 5 to 2, infinite. 5 to 3, infinite. 5 to 4, 6, and 5 to 5, 0. So we write infinite, 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 6 and 0. Okay, so this is here we write the first matrix matrix form with the help of this graph. Okay, after that we write here according to this matrix. You see here carefully the maximum distance, or we can select the weight we write here in the infinite sign. Okay, so with the help of Marshall algorithm method for finding the shortest path, we write here the value with the help of this infinite. That means in the place of infinite, we find the numbers, the values with the help of Marshall algorithm. Okay, so next one we find the D1. Okay, so again you write here the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got it? So here you highlight here first row and first column. Highlight here first row and first column. First step. Okay. After that, you write your first row and first column. You write here as it is. You copy here. That means 0, 3, 8, infinite minus 4. Okay. And next column is 0, infinite, infinite, 2, and infinite. Okay. So you highlight for finding the D1, you highlight the first row and the first column. Okay. After that, in this highlight row and column, you find here the infinite sign. Okay, so according to this infinite sign, if this infinite sign including in your column, so you as it is write here in the next matrix form. Okay, so here in this row, see here this is the infinite sign, so we write here this column as it is. So infinite 1, infinite 0, and 6. Okay, according to this is an infinite, this is infinite, and this is infinite. So we write here all these three row, copy here. Okay, so infinite 0, infinite 1, 7. Next one is again infinite, so infinite 4, 0, infinite, infinite, and last one is infinite, infinite. 3 times we write here infinite and 0. Okay, so what is the process? Process is that for finding the D0 to D1, first you highlight the first row and first column. Okay, after that you see here the infinite sign. So according to this infinite sign, if this infinite sign is included in your row or in column, so according to this, all this element row or column you write here as it is. Okay, so here the fourth row is the vacuum sign, because of here we find the values. Okay, so in the place of infinite, -5 and infinite, three places we write here the number. So what is the process? So here just see the previous matrix. Here this is the infinite sign. So according to this infinite, you see here this row and this column. Here is 2 and here is 3. So plus or both the values 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If 5 less than this number, so you write here 5. Otherwise, you write here this value as it is. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 5 less than the infinite. Got it? So we write here the 5 value. Okay. Next one is -5. Got it? So here -5. So according to this -5, your row is 2 and column is 8. Always you check here the highlighted row and column. Okay, so here 2 and 8. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 and 10 is greater than the -5. So you write here on -5 as it is. Okay, next one 0 we write here because of here the infinite sign. So we copy here this column as it is. After that you write here this infinite sign. Okay, so this infinite, your column is -4 and row is 2. So -4 plus 2, that means what? -2, and -2 is less than the infinite, so we write here -2 sign. Okay, so this is a process for finding the next matrix representation form. So with the help of D0 we find the D1. With the help of D1 we find the D2. Okay, so for finding the D2 we write here D2 is equal to, again we write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and here we write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so for finding the D1, we highlighted the first row and first column. Got it? So for finding the D2, we highlighted the second row and second column according to your previous matrix. Okay, so this is your second row. Got it? And this is your second column. Okay, so with the help of this second row and second column, the process is what? Process is highlighted row and column. You write here as it is. So the second row, second column is 3, 0, 4, 5 and infinite. Okay, and the second row, infinite, 0, infinite, 1 and 7. Okay. Second next process is what? Next step is, see here in the column and row, you check here the infinite sign. If your infinite is present into your row or column, highlighted row or column, so according to this row or column, you copy here. Okay, so here infinite, that means in the upper side you write here 0, infinite, 2 and infinite. Okay, next is again infinite. So upper side we write the 8, 0, minus 5 and infinite. Okay, and here these two infinite sign, and here last one is infinite, 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 6 and 0. Okay, so these values are we copy here as it is with the help of a Gaussian algorithm process. After that, you write here the values. Okay, so for finding the this value, that means according to this infinite, you check here. According to this infinite, your column is 1 and row is 3. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 is less than the infinite. So we write here 4. Okay, next one is minus 4. So according to minus 4, 7 and 3. So 7 plus 3, 10. But 10 is greater than minus 4. So we write here the less value. That means we write here minus 4 as it is. Got it? Next one is 0. Okay, so 0 we write here as it is. Next one is this infinite value. Both the values infinite. Okay, so according to this infinite, you check here the highlighted row is 1 and highlighted column is 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 5 is less than the infinite. Okay, next one is again infinite. So 4 and 7. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, next one is this value 0. So according to this 0, 5 plus 1 6. So 5 plus 1 6 is greater than 0. So we write here 0 as it is. Okay, next one is minus 2. So according to this minus 2, the corresponding value is 7 and 5. So 7 plus 5 12 and 12 greater than minus 2. So we write here minus 2 as it is. Okay, so with the help of this D2, we write here some infinite values converted in your countable values. Okay, so with the help of this D2, we find the D3. Okay, and for finding the D3, you highlighted here third row and third column. So with the help of this D2, we find the D3. That means for finding the D3, we highlighted here third row and third column. So we write here third column and third 0 in 8, infinite 0, minus 5, 8 and infinite 4, 0, 5, 11. We write here as it is. Next step is what? Next step is to check here your highlighted row and column if the infinite is present. So according to this infinite, you copy here as it is your row or column. So here in this column, second and the fifth. So we write here second and fifth row as it is infinite 0, infinite 1, 7, infinite, infinite, infinite 6 and 0. Okay, so we write here as it is. After that, you write it this infinite here. So according to this infinite, you copy here as it is the column 1. So 0, infinite, infinite, 2 and infinite. Okay. After that, you find this number, that means 3. So according to these 3, you see here 4 and 8. So 8 plus 4, 12. So 12 is greater than 3. So we write here the previous value 3 because of we consider the minimum value according to our Warshall algorithm formula. Okay. You write here this 4. Okay. So according to this 4, the column, this row is 8 and 5. So 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 greater than 4. So we write here the minimum value 4. Okay. Minus 4, that means 8 and 11, 19. So we write here minus 4 as it is. Next term is this place. Okay, that means this 5. So according to this 5, this is the highlighted value is minus 5 and here highlighted value is 4. So 4 plus minus 5, that means minus 1. So minus 1 is less than 5. So we write here minus 1. Okay, next one is write the 0. Okay, so according to this 0, the highlighted is minus 5 and plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, 0. So we write here 0 and obviously 0 is the less value. Okay, according to this minus 2, minus 5 and plus 11. So plus 6. So plus 6 is greater than minus 2. So we write here only here the minus 2. Okay. With the help of this D3, we find here the D4. Okay. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And your highlighted value is what? The fourth row and fourth column. Okay, so first you copy here the fourth row and fourth column. So value is 4, 1, 5, 0, 6. Okay, and fourth row is 2, minus 1, minus 5, 0 and minus 2. Okay, after that you see here there is no any value, nothing value here in the infinite. That means infinite is not present in here the highlighted row and highlighted column. Okay, so with the help of these values, this 0, 0 is obviously less value. That means 2 highlighted 2 and 4. So 4 plus 2 6. So we write here 0 because of 0 is less than 6. Next one is 3. So according to this 3, minus 1 and 4. So 4 minus 1, that means 3. So here the equal value 3. 8. So 4 and minus 5. So minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1. So we write here the minus 1. Okay, next value is this. So according to this 4 and minus 2. So 4 minus 2, that means 2. But 2 is greater than the minus 4. So we write here minus 4 as it is. Got it? Next one is this infinite sign. So according to this infinite, 1 and 2, 3. This 0, so obviously 0 is the less value. This infinite, so according to this infinite, 0 plus 1, sorry 0. This infinite, we write here 1 and minus 5. So minus 5 plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 4. So we write here minus 4. Okay, next value is 7. So according to this 1 and according to this minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 is equal to what? Minus 1. So we write here minus 1. Okay, next is this value. So according to this infinite, 2 and 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. So obviously we write here 7. According to this 5, 4. Minus 1 and 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. We write here 4. You check here always the minimum value. If you get the minimum value, so you write here the new value. Otherwise, you write here as it is the previous value according to your matrix form. Okay. This 0, so obviously 5 minus 5, 0. So this is the 0. Next one is the 11. Okay. So here highlighted value is 5 and here highlighted value is minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 is less than 11. So we write here the 3. Okay. Next value is this infinite. Okay. So according to this infinite, here is the 6 and here is the 2. So 6 plus 2, 8. This infinite, here is 6 and here is minus 1. So 6 minus 1, 5. This infinite 6 minus 5. So 1. Okay, that means 8, 5, 1, 6. And this 0, so obviously here is 6 and here is minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 greater than 0. So we write here the 0. Okay, so this is your D4. That means according to this D4, if your values are given in here, your correction is what? Here the D4. If according to this matrix, if you are getting any infinite sign for, then you write here the this is your final answer. Or sometimes you solve here the D5. Okay, with the help of D5, so you write here D5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we write here the next form D4 and here we write the D5. So here you highlighted here this and highlighted here this. Okay, fifth row and fifth column. Okay, so according to this, you write here 8, 5, 1, 6, and 0. Okay, you write here the as it is 8, 5, 1, 6, 0, and fifth column is minus 4, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Okay, so with the help of this, we write the new D5 value. That means sometimes if in the D4 column, that means in the last matrix, if infinite is not present in your matrix form, so you find the again because of if your vertex is 5, so you highlighted one by one the first row, first column, second row, second column, fifth row, fifth column, and you find the D5, and D5 is your final answer. Okay, so here we find the D5, so 0. Highlighted value is what? 8 minus 4. That means 4. So here we write the 0 because of 4 is greater than 3. 5 minus 4. That means 1. So we write here 1. 1 minus 4. That means minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 1. So what is the maximum value? Maximum value is minus 1. Okay, so we write here the minus 3. Next one is 4. So 6 minus 4. That means 2. Okay. Next one is 3. So according to this 3, 8 minus 1. That means 7. So 7 is greater value. So we write here only the 3. 0. So 5 minus 1. That means 4. So obviously we write here 0 minus 4. So 1 and minus 1. That means what? 1 minus 1. That means 0. So minus 4 is less than 0. So we write here the minus 4. Okay, next one is 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 is greater than 1. So we write here the 1 as it is. Next one is 7. So 8 plus 3, 11. So 11 is greater value. So we write here only the 7. Okay. 4. So 5 plus 3, 8. So we write here 4. Okay. 0. 3 plus 1. So we write here 0. And 5. 6 plus 3, 9. So we write here only the 5. Got it? Next one is a 2. So 8 minus 2. That means 6. So 6 is greater than 2. So we write here as it is 2. Minus 1. So 5 minus 2, that means 3. So 3 is greater than minus 1. So we write here only the minus 1. Minus 5. So 1 minus 2. That means minus 1. So minus 1 is greater than minus 5 or minus 1 is less than minus 5. Okay, so minus 1 is greater than minus 5. So we write here as it is minus 5. Okay, next one is 0. So 6 minus 2, that means 4. So obviously 0 is the less value. Okay, so this is your final matrix with the help of the weighted graph. So according to this matrix, you draw the graph. Okay, according to this matrix, you draw the graph. That means what? 1 to 1, 0, and see here. all these diagonal values you always find give the 0 because of 1 to 1 the total distance is 0, 2 to 2 total distance is 0, 3 to 3 total distance is 0, 4 to 4 total distance 0 and 5 to 5 total distance is 0. Okay, so this is the method of the Floyd or the partial algorithm for finding the shortest path. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.